Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back. Welcome back. I hope everybody is staying warm during this winter wonderland session. It's pretty freaking cold outside, and I am dreading the drive to work tomorrow. So, we got another little $50 sesh for you guys. 5 of the $5 cash explosions 25 times and 10 of the $2 cash explosion 10 times. Both have been wonderful tickets. Both have been very kind to us. And if you would give me a minute of your time, we now have memberships. We now have super thanks, super stickers, super chats when I'm live. So if you could do what you can, it all goes back to the channel so I can keep making wonderful videos for you. We also have wonderful merchandise, merchandise, which was not easy to make and took some time. So I hope you guys like the website with the clothing and the cups and the tote bags, and we are still working on the coin. Also, for anybody who is a member, especially the MVPs next month, not next month, the next week and a half or so, I have some special stuff planned out for you guys. So stay tuned for that face reveal of sorts. You know, we'll see. Okay, so we are looking for to match one of our winning numbers, a 5 times or a 10 times symbol in the bonus spot. Yes, that's it. We're just looking for that. All right, let's get to it. 17 and 30. Oh, first ticket's a winner. I love when that happens. All right. 217 so far. 28 and Tress. Okay. $2, $1, so $3, and then a multiplier 1 times. $3 back. Listen, I will take that. That's already kinder to us than the last ticket was. Let's see if we can go back to back. That would be nice. 9 and 24. 19, 20, 27, 18, 12, 6. Ooh, 24, another winner. Woo, yay. I love these tickets. Oh. 3 24s, guys. Woohoo. $2, $1, $1, so $4. Can we get a multiplier? 1 times. $4 winner, heck yes. Oh, I love when it starts off that way. Yay. Okay. 17 and 15. Can we get 3 in a row? That would be wild. 17 and 15. All right, not a winner. Oh, that 10 times would have been nice. Yes. Okay, in all seriousness. $26 and 30. 26 and 30. 26 and 30. All right. Naughty winner. 17 and 20. 17 was nice to us last time. Will it be nice to us again? There's that 26. 17 and 20. There's the 16. Oh, another 10 timeser, of course. When there's no winners. I'm gonna try this scratching devicey. 21 and 4. 14, 8, 23, and 19. It's a little glary here, sorry guys. 21, 4. Is that better? That's better. Ooh, we got a 21. Heck yes. 22, 17, and another 21. All right. Uno, dos. $2 back. Can we get that 10 timeser? No. $2 back. Listen, we're getting money back. We have let's see, 11 and 23. $24, 22. 1 times ooh, 24 and 19. 24 and 19, 7 and 17, 8, 12, 15, 27, 28, 30, 20, and just a 4. Oh, 5 times would have been nice. We got 2 of these guys left. $9 and dos. 8. All big numbers. All right. Oh. Last $2 ticket. Let's see if we can do something grand here. 28 and 14. 24, 3, 12, 28, 14, 28. Ooh, no. Nothing on the last ticket, guys. It gave us a little something. It was definitely better than the $2 in the last video we did. All right. Now time for the cash explosion 25 times. How do I want to do this? You're bouncing around all over the place, sir. Quit it. All right. What a nasty little glare right there. Maybe I can hold it. That's a little bit better. All right. 15, 18, 21, and 7. We could also look, we also are looking for a star here for an auto win. $22, $29, $39, $14, $20, $33, $32, $27, $4, $16, $19, $23, and $34. Nada. Come on, Cash Explosion, be nice. 18, 17, 40, and 11. 29, 39, 15, 31, 21. Could have used you guys on another ticket. 33, 23, 35, 36. All these 30s, we ain't got no 30s, Lieutenant Dan. 3, 13, 24, 37, 38. Nada. Oh, that would have been real nice, sir. Like a jerk of face. All right, we just need one. We just need one big one. Or, you know, for me, big. Like, people are like, $50, that's not even a big win. $100, that's not even a big win. To me, that is a big win. And you gotta put your wins in perspective. If that's a lot of money for you to lose or spend on something, then it's a big win. So, my opinion, 29, 14, 16, dose, 12, 22, 32, 24. We have no 20s or 30s. 18, we got a 19. 37, 13, 38, 23, and 33. I have a feeling this is an entry ticket. Oh, no, it's just another 25 timeser that we won nothing on. Okay, we got, how many tickets are left? We got 3 of these guys left. Come on, 25 times. You're usually such a very giving ticket. There's all the 30s. 33, 32, 11, and 34. Ah, there we go. Yes, yes, yes. No 15. So all of these but the 15. No 17. No 29. There is an 11. No 2. No 20. There is an 11. There is a 33. There is a 32. There is a 32. And there is a 32. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 wins. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco. All right. Do it times 10. Please. Please. 1 times. $10 winner though. Better than nothing. Better than nothing. I will take it. We got 2 more tickets. Maybe we can squeeze 1 more winner out of here. Please. Back to back. ticket number 11, 36, 14, 15, and 39. It'll be the ticket full of 20s. 28. I know that this side glare is driving me nuts. 12. 22, 7. 16, 20, 27, 6, 3, 26, what'd I say? 17, 38, 40, 37, and 21. Let me guess, 25 times. 5 times. All right, last ticket, guys. Come on. Give us one more winner. One more winner. 6, 7, 15, and 35. 2, 36, 39, 37, and 9. 24, 38, 17, 18, 26. One more winner. One more. Uno más. 12 and 3, 14, 34, and 28. Ooh, not a winner. Okay, so in this session, we spent 50 and we got 19 back. Rough. Not even half. That makes me mad when we don't at least get half, but that is gambling, people. That is gambling. It's better than nothing. It could always be nothing. I hope you guys stay nice, warm, and safe wherever you may be. Have a wonderful week, and I will catch you wonderful people in the next one.